Here we have another pulley problem with the friction. The M1, M2 is given, force is given, angle is given, mu k is given. We have to find acceleration. Now, first of all, let's draw a free body diagram. Let's start with the force, which is tilted at certain angle. So the first force will be F. Vertical force will be F sine theta, and F horizontal force will be F cos theta. Then we have a friction force. Since object is moving to the left with acceleration a, the friction force will be pointing here. So let me just draw this. This will be kinetic friction. Okay, then we have the weight, which is m1g. Then we have normal force, which is this one. Then we have tension. Here we have, for the second box, we have also tension. Downwards, this will be M2G. And both box moving within acceleration upwards. Okay, now let's write down equations for the first box. For the first box, since it's moving to the left, we can say that left side will be the positive. So we can say that it's F cosine theta, horizontal component of the force, minus tension, minus kinetic friction, and it's equal to the m1 acceleration. Okay, this is a formula which taking sum of the forces is equal to the ma. Okay, now let's write down the equation for the second box. Tension, since I define upwards as a positive, so therefore we can say that tension minus m2g is equal to the m2 acceleration. Okay, now we have to write down the equation for the vertical components of the force for the m1. In order to do that one, we know that we have normal force, which is pointing upwards, plus the vertical component of the F force, which is F sine theta, and then downward force, which is minus m1g, which is equal to the 0. Correct? Then we can say that our normal force here will be equal to the m1g minus F sine theta. And if we want to substitute into kinetic friction, then our kinetic friction is equal to the mu k normal force. So that means we can say that kinetic friction is equal to the mu k normal force is equal to m1g minus F sine theta. Now if you plug here numbers, if you try to plug the numbers here, you should find that your kinetic friction should be equal to the 33.3. So it's just my numbers. Okay, once you got this kinetic friction, you can substitute it into here. Then after that, you find the first cancel the tensions, and from there you can find what is the acceleration. Okay, or you can do it like this one. So you take the second equation where tension is equal m2a plus m2g. Then you plug it there, you take this tension and plug it here, okay? And then from there you can find what is acceleration. So that's it.